A very beautiful morning to all you dear children. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. Myself Adiba, and in today's grammar class I am going to teach you chapter 5 articles. Articles means a, an and the. Let's start with the chapter. Articles a, n, the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. Now this is an orange. We have used a, n, the to point out the nouns flowers and orange. These words, that is a, n and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. You know consonants, right? Such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. See, they all start with consonant. We uses an before a word that begins with a vowel. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a, n are used to introduce a singular noun. Now, children, look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, n and the. Let's see. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls. Now open page number 26 in your book. Okay? And let's see here. Fill in the blanks with a, n and the. I have dash pencil. Pencil, P is a consonant, so A will come here. And an eraser, E is a vowel, so an will come here. In my bag. The pencil is sharp. Here we are talking about the same pencil which is given here, so we will write here the. Okay, because we know that we are talking about this pencil. अगर हमें पता है कि हम किस ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो हम the लगाएंगे. Here one thing, we use a before words beginning with U when it has a sound like Y. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर कोई स्पेलिंग है, कोई वर्ड है जिसको बोलते वक्त हमें Y का साउंड आ रहा है तो उसमें A लगेगा. इवन अगर वो स्पेलिंग U से शुरू हो रही है तब भी A आएगा. जैसे यूनिफॉर्म, यू Y का साउंड आ रहा है, इसलिए इसमें हम यूनिफॉर्म के पहले हमेशा A लगाएंगे. ओके, सेम वे आर की स्पेलिंग शुरू तो H से होती है. कभी आपने हावर कहते हुए सुना है, हॉनेस्ट कहते हुए सुना है? नहीं ना. आर, ऑनेस्ट, इसमें किसका साउंड आता है? O का, इसलिए इसके पहले हमेशा एन आएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज ऑन पेज नंबर 26. Add the missing vowel or vowels to make the word. Then write the word. Here are some missing letters given, missing vowels given. See, I have filled here 7. If here examples are also giving, a help box kind of is also given, a number, a juicy fruit, an animal, an orange vegetable, an ice house. So I have filled here 7, orange, horse, carrot, igloo. Okay, just do this. Now next one is also very easy. You have to just fill a or an. E is a vowel, so here an will come. J is a consonant, so here a will come. O is a vowel, so an will come. Same way, insect, an insect, a school, an armchair, a yak, a uniform. U is a vowel, but I have written a here. See, I told you here also na, uniform का जो sound है that starts with Y. That sounds like Y. Y जैसा sound आता है जब हम U बोलते हैं, या से sound होता है. तो that is why here with uniform always A comes. Okay? Am I clear, all of you? So don't get confused. Whenever you see uniform, just write A. Okay? Here is a quick recap given. मतलब हमने जो कुछ भी अभी वीडियो में समझा पढ़ा था उससे रिलेटेड एक क्विक रिकैप ग्लैंस दिया हुआ है. वी यूज अ विथ सिंगुलर नाउन. ए हमेशा सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज होता है और कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के साथ. ठीक, कॉन्सोनेंट्स पता है ना आपको, वोवल के अलावा जितने भी अल्फाबेट्स हैं सब कॉन्सोनेंट. वी यूज एन इज ऑल्सो यूज विथ सिंगुलर नाउन्स, और जिस लेटर का वोवल साउंड आता हो जिसमें से उसके पहले एन आता है. द यूज होता है जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, जैसे मून, द अर्थ, द सन. ओके, लाइक दैट. एंड व्हेन वी रिपीट अ नाउन रिटन बिफोर, या हमने ऑलरेडी कोई सेंटेंस में एक बार एक नाउन यूज़ किया, उसे हम दोबारा यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो तब भी द आएगा. द इज यूज विद बोथ सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, और द जो होता है वो सिंगुलर नाउन्स और प्लूरल नाउन्स दोनों के साथ यूज़ किया जा सकता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, now here the vowels are given, okay, and some pictures are given. You have to see what picture it is and write the complete spelling. Here I have done A for apple, E for elephant, I for ice cream, O for orange, then U for umbrella. Here I have written it. See, okay, do it by yourself now. Now next exercise that we have is choose the correct option to complete each sentence. Here are two options given. You have to choose the right option to complete the sentence. First is the children are playing in the field. Children means एक से ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं, तो आ तो नहीं आएगा because आ is used with singular nouns. The will come. Okay. Next we have an elephant's baby is called a calf. Elephant starts with E, so an will come. It's a vowel. Mother gave me the glass of cold milk. Means singular, एक glass दिया है तो आएगा a glass of milk. There is an alarm clock on the table. Alarm clock starts with A, means vowel, so an will come here. Mr. John is an umpire. Mr. John क्या है, एक umpire है. Here an will come. Okay, because you umpire, इसमें U से start हो रहा है पर इसमें कोई consonant का sound नहीं आ रहा है, vowel का ही sound आ रहा है, U का ही sound आ रहा है, इसलिए an will come here. Okay, and it's also singular because. Alright? Fill in the blanks with an or the. There is what? Come on. A fountain in the park. Raman has a new water bottle. An egg is shaped like a oval. An आया because E is here and A comes here because O is a consonant, so A will come here. Hardik has a pet dog. हार्दिक के पास एक पेट डॉग है. डैश डॉग इज फ्रेंडली. हियर हमने क्या पढ़ा था, जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में रिपीट कर रहे हो, यहाँ हम डॉग के बारे में रिपीट कर रहे हैं तो द विल कम हियर. द डॉग इज फ्रेंडली. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि हम इस डॉग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, हमें पता है हम एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और रिपीट कर रहे हैं. सो द विल कम हियर. An X is used to chop the word. And that is all. Do all these exercises in your grammar book and keep revising, okay? Keep revising all the grammar work I am giving you these days, and do all this work in your book, okay? Because your notebooks are submit, so keep doing your work in books. I hope I'm clear. My dear students, do all this work in your grammar book and keep preparing for your exams, half yearly exams. Take care of yourself and God bless you all.